In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hook up a, a Surface tablet to a TV using the mini Displayport. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so in order for this project to work, you'll need several items. You'll need any Surface compatible tablet that goes with the mini Displayport. You'll you'll need you'll need an you'll need a mini Displayport to HDMI adapter, and of course an HDMI cable, and also a TV like I'm showing an example right here. Okay guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to place your tablet anywhere you want on here. I choose to place it next to my Blu-ray player. Okay, let's move on to the next step. The next thing you want to do is you want to take your mini Displayport adapter and you want to plug it into the tablet like this. Yeah, like that. Okay. Alright, the next thing you want to do is you want to take your HDMI cable and you want to hook it up to this adapter like so, just like this. There we go. Okay. Okay, now the final thing you want to do is you want to take the other end of your HDMI cable and hook it up to your TV's HDMI port. Make sure it goes in all the way and until it's secure. Okay, so guys, so now that I've completed the cabling connection, it's time to turn the TV on. Locate the power button on your remote and press it. See the power light on the TV come on. And then you always want to make sure what input your TV is set to that your tablet's connected to. For me, I have it connected to HDMI 2, and so it's on HDMI 2. Okay, now for the big test. Let's turn on the tablet. Bingo! And just like that, we have fully functional. You now have my tablet screen is now mirrored onto the TV. It's actually a nice picture quality, actually. I mean, considering it's HDMI, yeah, it's the best quality you'll get. Okay, so now let's play one of my videos. Let's do this one right here. And as you can see, this is there's almost no delay between the tablet and the TV. very, very straightforward way to connect your tablet to a TV. Okay guys, so I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please leave a like on this video. And if you have any questions, please comment them down below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.